2 algorithm, right? So it's done.
Right?
Look.
For you guys, that's right and that's left for you guys. But for us, for me and my dad, is right and left. Yeah.
So I use for 2 algorithm. It's in simple way. I'm going to use only 2 algorithm. Right side clockwise, upper side clockwise, or right side anti-clockwise, upper side anti-clockwise.
Assalamualaikum. This is Nubadan. Today, my dad will show me and teach me how to solve a Rubik's cube. And he's also going to show you guys and teach you
So
guys.
you give me the challenge.
Like me. Yeah.
Give me challenge.
And please watch. Don't give up on the channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now or like.
Okay.
You can unlike. I don't really care about that, but we have to get more subscribers and viewers, right?
Yeah. Wait. I don't know. I can't. Okay. Done. Then green. Okay.
Yeah.
Green done. Then orange. Okay. So orange done. Orange done. So that means bottom side is complete, right? White, blue, orange, green, red.
How is blue already solved? Look, it's already
So I'm going to solve with the blue. Okay. So
I'm kind of confused.
confused.
Yeah. Guys, also watch our toy video. It's fun. Right, Baba?
Yeah.
It's super fun. It's going to take a while to solve this, but we
Yeah.
are just going to do part 1 for now.
Part 1.
Yeah. The title should be part 1, right?
Yeah.
I think blue is almost done, right?
Blue almost done.
Or and red.
Yeah.
And sleepy.
It's sleepy.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's nighttime.
It's nice time.
No, it's night.
Night time.
Yeah.
I thought it's the nice time.
So you're going up and then right or left? I don't
Yeah,
know
it's
that.
12 for them right. So it's done.
Right?
Look.
For you guys, that's right and that's left for you guys. But for us, for me and my dad, is right and left. Yeah.
So I use for 2 algorithm, right and left. Okay.
Okay.
So it's done.
Whoa!
So thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Please subscribe, hit the like button, and bye guys.
And we'll make a full video how to solve the Rubik's Cube very easy and simple way.
Yeah. We've been watching videos about it.
We'll make it right now. We're gonna make it right now. Okay, let's go. We'll make nicely how to make easy way. Very easy and simple. Just cool.
I won't make it because I don't still know how to make it.
I'll teach you. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. And also, please don't teach me. That's complicated.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, and this is Riyadh, and I'm going to make video for my son YouTube channel World's Playground. Today we are going to make how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube very easy and simple way. I'm going to use only 2 algorithm, right side clockwise, upper side clockwise, or right side anti-clockwise, upper side anti-clockwise, and only for this 2 algorithm you can solve your 2x2 Rubik's cube. And easy simple way, like clockwise, upper side clockwise, that's it. Just I'm going to show again for left side clockwise, upper side clockwise, anti-clockwise for left side, and upper side anti-clockwise. 6 times if you do it, you can solve your Rubik's cube any position, it's no matter. So clockwise, upper side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, upper side anti-clockwise, that's it. And that's easy and simple. I'm going to mess again, and okay, I'm going to show it right now. So I'm going to find out for white, orange, white, green and red. So this bottom side, I think every Rubik's cube that wants any logo or something, you can find, you can starting point for that. And I think I get blue, green, white and red. So this is my starting point. Okay, so starting point. So I'm going to the right, make now another green and green on top for corner, like what looking for. So blue and white is right now over there. I'm going to find out green and white on top corner. So green and white, I get it, green and white and orange. So I'm going to move it to this corner, green, that's it. So green and white on top, it's not matter orange front side. So that's it. I'm going to the same 2 algorithm is when it's coming to 2 green is parallel, it's okay. So until get it, and white supposed to bottom side. So I'm going to right algorithm, right side clockwise, upper side clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, upper side anti-clockwise. We need more because it's green is not the level. So clockwise, yes, I get it. So this, look, this corner is matching. So white, white, green, green. So I'm going to orange and white. So orange and white, and let me see on top where is the orange and white. Orange and white is like no, it's bottom side. Okay, it's the matter. I can flip up upper side anti-clockwise, then I get it for orange and white. So this orange is supposed to come for same level for orange. I'm going to the same algorithm, right side clockwise, upper side clockwise, right side anti-clockwise, upper side anti-clockwise, until get the orange is the same line. I get it, that's it, orange. So look, 2 corner is already matched for orange, white, green, white. So I'm going to blue and white, this corner very easy way. So just move it. Okay, so same thing, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. I get it all for green, blue only one side, I think. Okay, no, it's done for like blue, orange, green and white. All white supposed to bottom side. So right now I'm going to find out for corner matching. So at least 2 corners like supposed to same color. It's like this corner orange, that's not matching. I'm going to move a little bit turn around for red and green. So just move a little bit. I get for orange, green, red. Look, bottom side and upper side is green, red. Okay, this corner is missing. Like I need another corner for same thing in same side. So find out it's orange not matching. green or blue, orange, red, green, blue, not matching. It's not matching too, so I have to do another 2 times algorithm. Then I can find out at least 2 same corner matching. So I need any 2 corner matching. Like I'm going to move a little bit, I'm going to find out blue, orange is this corner is matching, red, green, and this corner is not matching. So this corner only matching. I need for at least 2 side. I need 2 side. Okay, so I'm going to flip up. Like I have to do more algorithm. So it's very easy. So like clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. What about the right or left? So if you do that, okay, I'm going to 3 times algorithm for left side and another 3 times for right side. So I'm going to right side start clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and anti-clockwise is 3 times. So when it's done, I'm going to the left side clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Just to remember, it's 3 times, both sides, right and left. After that, I'm going to see again it's matching or no. So like this corner is matching, this corner is matching, this corner is matching, this corner is matching too. So I need for like at least 2 similar side, same bottom, same side, like either left or right. So I get for this corner is not matching, opposite 2 corners is matching. So I'm going to another 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, left and right, and I'll do that again, move, turn around, move, and same thing, clockwise, anti-clockwise, until get the corner, both corners the same color of, and I need for all 4 same color, like orange, green, blue, orange, and this 2 corner left side is similar and right side is not the same. I'm going to the right side for 3 times algorithm, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Another side, left side, I'm going to the clockwise, anti-clockwise. So 3 and 3. So until get I for orange. So this orange, yellow, orange, yellow, blue, red, orange, and so I'm going to flip up the white side is on top and bottom side for like. So right now I'm going to try yellow, supposed to go the bottom side. So I have to find out the yellow. So I get the yellow side over there. I'm thinking about the right side. Just move the yellow for your right side and do the algorithm for right side. Right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise, until get the yellow supposed to go the down side, bottom side. So I get it. So just move it little bit for move another yellow, and it's very easy. If you just follow my instruction, it's very easy. So I'm going to move yellow. This yellow is supposed to go bottom again. So I'm going to the same thing, clockwise, upper side, right, upper, right, left. So right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise. Yellow is almost is right now yellow is downside. Then I'm going to move again for yellow. So same thing, do it more. I need, I think we get it. So I get it. So yellow is matching and upper side white is matching. So I'm just moving a little bit orange to orange, green to green. That's it. So this is very easy and simple way 2x2 Rubik's cube only for 2 algorithm if you use. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and watch my son YouTube channel World's Playground. We'll make more videos for kids, and that's it. And you can play again if you want. I can stop again like scombing, then I can do white. So look, it's already orange, white. So I'm going to do it again, just clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. It's matching. It's orange. It's clockwise, anti-clockwise. Find out. Very easy. Like if you think about for when you're matching the bottom side, white side is first, then corner. So clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise is matching. Then turn around. Find out the all corner is same. Until the corner is same, we have to find out at least 2 corners is the same color. Then matching side is the left side, and unmatching side is the right side, and do the algorithm clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. And guys, thank you for watching, and that's it. See you next time, next video. Bye bye.